Thank you.
Ki te rangi tuia, ki te whenua tuia, ki te nā kou. Mō nā tangata, ko te mea nui, ko te aroha, te hewa Māori ora. I te Minister Seruiratu, tēnā koe I rangatira. E nā tangata whenua, tēnā koutou. E te iwi moana nui a kiwa, tēnā koutou. Apati hono, tātai hono, rātou kua wehe atu ki te pō. Apati hono, tātai hono, tātou e tū ana ki te ao. To our Chilean Minister of Defense, Honourable Alberto Espina, buenas noches. Tongan Minister of Defense, Lord Maafu, Malawele. To an Australian Secretary of Defense, Greg Moriarty. G'day, mate. Our French Ambassador, His Excellency Seruiratu. Bonjour. And to Papua New Guinea. It's not here, but High Commissioner, Her Excellency Lucy Bagari Gutnick. I want to acknowledge our friends also from the USA and UK, David James and Kevin Lundy. Tēnā koutou. The Honourable Inia Seruiratu, Minister of Defense, and Inia Seruiratu. Rangatira from your Maunga is still the Ruapehu. Your Awa is still the Mofonga. Your Marae is still Waiuru. And your Iwi is still Nadi Tūmatoenga. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, e hoa. I want to acknowledge Rear Admiral Liliane Nopoto. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. On behalf of my ministerial colleagues, heads of delegations, officials, observers, as the previous host of the South Pacific Defence Ministers meeting, I extend our warm Pacific Island greetings and our thanks. Thank you for receiving us so warmly. Thank you for your gracious hospitality. Thank you, Vanaka, for what we know will be a warm, enjoyable and productive meeting aimed at enhancing the relationships between the Pacific leaders in national defence and security. Thank you for taking up the responsibility of bringing us together. You have our support over the next 2 days, in which we will undertake some important work. And can I say thank you, Vanaka, to you, the soldiers of the Republic of Fijian Military Forces, for your very warm welcome. Vanaka, Vanaka, ma nihi nui, tēnā koutou, kia ora koutou katoa. And as is the custom, we have to do all that.
Chiefs of Defense, senior officials, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, and Bulu Vinaka. As your host, I warmly welcome you again to Fiji. And of course, we are indeed grateful for this opportunity to be your host for this South Pacific Defense Ministers meeting. We've just concluded the traditional welcome ceremony, and all that we wanted to say has been said in that room, and believe you me, it came out of the depths of our hearts, and we again wish to welcome you warmly to Fiji. We know that our time in here will be just for a few days. And most of you ministers particularly, you owe your wife another trip to Fiji so that they can enjoy the hospitality that your Fijian friends have to offer. I'm not welcoming you as not only as friends, but I welcome you as members of the family. We are one family and we are one big Vuvale, as we say. And on behalf of your friends and relatives and colleagues here in Fiji, I warmly welcome you again. And I hope that you will enjoy your time here in Fiji. And we, as your hosts, are available to serve you, and hope that we will deliver to your expectations as well. And of course, we look forward to our meetings tomorrow and the rest of the activities that are organized for this SPDMM meeting. And make the most of this opportunity. I know that we are here to know each other, one another. So I hope that through this evening's function, we would be able to know the other members of the delegations from the other countries, and of course prepare us for the main meetings that we will have tomorrow. Thank you once again, and enjoy the evening.